welcome to the channel. It's been a while since our last episode, so just thought of sharing some wisdom with you all from Twitter. So this is our new series called Sweet Tweets, wherein we analyze tweets from various thought leaders in the ecosystem. So today's series we will kick off by analyzing the tweet storm from Nawal Ravikant, who is the co-founder of AngelList. So these are a bunch of tweets from back in 2018, but are definitely going to be relevant forever. So these tweets are about how to get rich without getting lucky. So let's just start off with the first tweet. So the first tweet says that seek wealth, not money or status. Wealth is having assets that earn while you sleep. Money is how we transfer time and wealth. Status is your place in the social hierarchy. So what this means is the way I'm reading this is, you should not seek to become rich, or you should not just seek to earn just more money. What you should truly be seeking is wealth, and the way you accumulate wealth over a period of time, which is in the long term, the way you do that is having assets that earn while you sleep, which means that you have to focus on investing in yourself, investing in your skills, honing your skills so that they can give a huge payoff to you in the long run, and also investing money in assets which will give you returns. And these returns could be steady. These returns, it's not that you will become it's not that this money will earn disproportionately for you. You invest today and it will earn disproportionately for you tomorrow. That's never going to happen. It's just that you invest money on a consistent basis, and then eventually over a period of time, you will end up making a lot of money by getting steady returns. So how do you invest? You probably invest using, various asset classes. So the less riskier asset classes are probably FTs. The more riskier asset classes are probably startup investments. And in between, you have obviously stock investments, mutual funds, etc. So it's about, it's not, what this means is it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save and invest over a period of time. So that is what matters, because when you invest, you don't need to consistently monitor where your money is going. Of course, if you're investing with sound judgment, you don't need to do it. If you're speculating, you definitely have to do it. Wherein you have to give a lot of time and attention to where your money is going, whether it's growing, whether it's not growing or not. So when you're investing, you don't need to give the time. You just need to silently monitor your investments, and eventually it'll in the long term it will grow on to become it will grow on to give a lot of wealth for you. So money is how we transfer time and wealth. So the way I read this is that when you're working for say a company, when you're an employee in a certain company, what you give there in terms of your effort and your time and the way you work is going to decide how much you earn. So essentially, when you're working as an employee, of course you have certain skill sets and you're applying that and you're adding value to someone, but at the same time you're also investing a lot of your time in that particular job or in that particular task which you're executing. So for that time that you've invested, the way you're rewarded is through money. So that is what this means. Money is how we transfer time and wealth. Essentially, for the time that you invested and for the value that you added, you get rewarded by money. And status is your place in the social hierarchy, which means that although becoming rich and owning certain things can give you status. For example, tomorrow you may have a lot of money and you go and decide to buy a rich car or a rich house, but as soon as you buy it, the very next second, the value of that car that you buy is depreciating. So the value of that car depreciates, which means when you want to resell it back as soon as you bought it, the value gets reduced by at least about 30%. So although that car might help you enhance your status in the society, it's not an asset that will earn while you sleep. So this is what I understood from the tweets. So we're going to be there are a bunch of about 23 tweets similar to this. So we're going to be analyzing a lot of other tweets, like how we went through this one. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So that would mean a lot. And if you like this video and if you want more content similar to this, then press the like button, because that will indicate to us that you like the content that we are putting out. And so until next time, it's goodbye.